Welcome back, friends. So friends, in this video, first of all, we will correct its font, because I gave the font here. I show you that it is not applying rightly. So friend, I come back to my Notepad++ code editor, and HTML index.html page is open, and you see that I have given this style sheet here, and I am to cut here by pressing Ctrl X and copy it and paste it down, because this style sheet I should bring down, and Ctrl S to save. So now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So friend, you see that its font has been changed, and there should be made little change here. So now friend, as you remember that I gave some padding top to these circles inside these 1, 2, 3 numbers, because that font was big and it was not applying the simple font. So now I come back on my Notepad++ and go to style.css and do work here. So friend, this is the padding top which should not be here. So I remove, Ctrl S to save. So now once again I come back here and refresh this page. So now friend, the font which I downloaded from internet has been applied properly on this layout. So friend, now I would like to tell you that now we will make one more section under it. So I come back on my Notepad++ code editor, and here I go to index.html, and I also come down, and here after this section I make a new section. So I write section and give it a class, section / plans inside the double quotes, and I close this section. Press enter to come down. First of all friends, I make a div, and I give a class to that div, the same row class which I have been used above in above divs, and I close this div. And now inside this div I will make more divs. First I will make a h2 tag, and I write an heading here inside this h2, start eating healthy today. So friend, now I come out of this div and I make one more div and also give a class to it. And give it the same name, row and close that div. And I press enter and I make one more div inside it and also define a class to it. So first I will give a name to this class called span slash 1/4 3. I press enter and come down. So I make one more div inside that div and also define a class to it. So I give it a name plan/box and I close that div. So friend, I press enter and inside that div I make one more div. And I have copied it down 3 times. You can also press Ctrl D to duplicate it 2 times more. So friend, now I make a h3 tag heading 3 and inside this h3 I will give heading. Premium. Press enter to come down and here I make a p tag. First of all I will give a class to that p tag and then I will place text inside this p tag. Class is equal to double quotes and inside these double quotes I define a name to this class as usual, plan/price. $399. So friend, I make a span tag also inside that p tag. \month. I press enter to come down and here I make one more p tag. And I also define one more class to it. Class is equal to double quotes and inside these double quotes plan/price/meal and close the p tag. So friend, I write here that's only $13.30 per meal. Control S to save. Sorry, actually I did not write here S. Now Control S to save. So I come down in the down div. Inside that div, as you remember that I made 3 div. So now I have come in the second div, and here I have made a UL tag, mean unordered list. And friend, inside that unordered list I make a li tag list item and close that tag. I class in icon tag. I made an icon tag and closed it, and I have defined a class to that I tag. So friend, now I will go to that IO and icons website and get icons from that site. So I click on new tab and click on home page button. So inside here I will write IO and icons. And once again I will click on the top link, and here is that site IO and icons open. And from these tags I will choose some tags. First of all, this tick sign tag icon, I will choose icons. So I have copied its name. Once again I copied its name and I place that name here. Now I give a name to that class icon slash small. Now I give some title, meal, 1 meal, every day. And now I copy all this li tag, press enter and I paste it here. Press enter and once again I paste it here. Now the 4th time I have pasted down. So I will change the text only, these headings. Order 24 hours 7. 7 means 7 days. Access to newest. Create. Free delivery. So friend, now I come on the third div which was made before. First of all, I make an anchor tag inside it. Anchor harf is equal to double quotes and hash sign inside double quotes, and I also define a class to it. Class is equal to double quotes btn space btn slash full. Sign up. Sorry, the spelling of sign up is not right. Now sign up. Sign up now. So friends, sorry, sign up. Control S to save. So friend, now I will copy this div from here. I will copy this div from here to, and where that div is being finished. Control C, press enter, and I will paste it down. Second time I have pasted it down. So friend, here I will change the name Pro. I will also change the price from them. And here to first of all I will change admission, startup, and I will also change its price $19. Control S to save first. So now I will go to my Chrome browser to see that what's happening here in preview. So I refresh this page and I scroll it down. So friend, you see that all start eating healthy today. This text and this section I have made in this video. So friend, in next video I will come back and stylize this section in my style.css style sheet page.